morning, student. Today we continue the next topic of our chapter number 9, that is financial planning. अभी तक अब जो हम पढ़ रहे थे वो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. अब फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग स्टार्ट हो गया हमारा. फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, फाइनेंशियल दैट मीन्स पैसों का अरेंजमेंट, उसको किस तरीके से, कितना हार्ड कैश रखना है, कितना फिक्स एसेट्स में रखना है, कितना करेंट एसेट्स में रखना है. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. Financial planning is essential. Preparation of financial blueprint of an organization future operation. The objective of financial planning is to available the fund at the right time. If adequate funds are not available, the firm will not be able to honor its commitment and carry out its plan. If we are not having the proper fund at the exact time, then we are not committed our goals. On the other hand, if excess funds are available, we will necessary at the cost and many encourage wasteful expenditure. जब ज़्यादा पैसे होते हैं तब हमारे पास wasteful activity में पैसे खर्च होते हैं या we are spending on our luxury items. It must be kept in mind that financial planning is not equivalent to or a substitute for financial management. Financial management aims at choosing the best investment and financing alternative by focusing on their cost and benefit and related to the rate of return also. How much return is getting? So, let's take an example. If a capital budgeting decision is taken, the operation are likely to be at higher scale, the amount of expenses revenue are likely to increase. Yes, there is a flotation cost also. Financial planning process tries to forecast all the items which are likely to undergo changes. It enables the management to foresee the fund requirement, both quantum as well as the timing. That means quantum, that means in a quantity form we get the exact amount of our fund whenever we need it. So, look at page number 2 and 42. Page 248, there are twin objectives of financial planning. A and B दे करके दे रखा है, ये दोनों आपको लर्न करने हैं. This is your 1 mark question. The twin objective of financial planning, this is your 1 mark question and very important to your examination point of view. The first is to ensure availability of funds whenever required. जब हमें ज़रूरत होती है पैसों की तब हमारे हाथ में वो पैसा होना चाहिए. Just like your parents is planning for your marriage, but at the age when you are at the age of 2 or 3, then your parents take a life insurance of 15 years. That means at the time of 18 you just completed your 12th or graduation के लिए starting higher studies के लिए, तो कुछ ना कुछ वो 15 साल के लिए अगर investments कर रहे हैं तो that is the exact and accurate investment by them and an intelligent decision by your parents, because at the age of 18 they need some fund for your higher education. लेकिन अगर आप 18 साल के हो रहे हैं और वो 17 साल में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं तो एक साल में पैसा ही कितना जुड़ेगा. तो कहने का सीधा जो अर्थ है वो यही है कि इंश्योर द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फंड्स व्हेन एवर रिक्वायर्ड, दैट योर प्लानिंग you did the investments according to the time, according to your purpose and goal must be clear in your mind before taking any investments. To see the firm doesn't rate resource unnecessary, that means you never take the loan unnecessary, you just take the loan whenever it required by you. Excess funding is almost as bad as inadequate funding. Even if there are some money surplus, good financial planning would put it to the best possible use so that the financial resources are not left idle and not unnecessary add to the cost. अब यहाँ पर हमें जो प्लानिंग करनी है फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग में, हम लोग तीनों तरीके की प्लानिंग को देखेंगे. जैसे लॉन्ग टर्म, शॉर्ट टर्म. जैसे फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग इज जस्ट लाइक विद इन्वेस्टमेंट्स प्लानिंग, कि किस तरीके से हमें फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग करनी है कि फंड हमें कुछ लॉन्ग टर्म कुछ समय के बाद मिले और कुछ हमारे मीडियम टर्म होते हैं और कुछ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग हमारी शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए होती है. ओके, अब यहाँ पर लॉन्ग टर्म की कैसे प्लानिंग होती है? इफ़ योर पेरेंट्स आर फाइनेंसिंग फॉर योर मैरिज पर्पसेस देन दैट इज़ देयर लॉन्ग टर्म, बिकॉज एकदम नहीं मैरिज के लिए जो पैसा एकदम नहीं चाहिए होता, बिकॉज व्हेन यू अटेन द एज ऑफ 18 अबव और 20 अबव एंड यू गेट द कंप्लीट मैच्योरिटी देन दे विल go for this social act occasion. Short term planning covers short term financial planning and budget. Typical financial planning does for 3 to 5 years. For the long period it becomes more difficult to less useful. Budgeted are the example of financial planning. Financial planning are usually begin with the preparation of sale forecast. Okay, now there is a importance of financial planning, page 249. Now next topic start from page number 249, importance of financial planning. अब यहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेंस की अगर बात आ गई तो एक तो ये फोरकास्टिंग में हेल्प करते हैं. फोरकास्टिंग क्या होती है? फोरकास्टिंग दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द फ्यूचर. प्रोडिक्शन करना what may be happen in future under the different business situation. Before doing so, it helps the business firm to face eventual situation in a better way. It makes a firm better prepared to face the future. The management may decide what must be done in each of these situations. This preparation is alternative plans to meet different situations is clearly of the immense help in running the business smoothly. अब यहाँ पर इट्स हेल्प इन अवॉइडिंग द बिजनेस शॉक्स. बिजनेस शॉक्स दैट मीन्स जब कुछ थोड़े बहुत लॉसेज हो जाते हैं विच आर नॉट इन द कंट्रोल ऑफ अ मैनेजमेंट, दैट इज डन बाय एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ऑल्सो. जैसे अभी कोविड-19 है, दिस इज ऑल्सो गिव द फाइनेंशियल लॉस टू ऑल द कंपनीज, बट दे हैव सम देयर रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स that will be they use to pay their debts, to pay their commitments and to pay the salary of their employees, so that their employees should be fixed or make a stability in their organization too. So it helps in coordination in the various concept and the functions. जैसे sales हो गई, production हो गया, financial planning का बहुत होना ज़रूरी है, because marketing and sales are also interconnected with each other. Detailed plan or action produce the use of financial planning and reduce the waste and the duplication of work. Proper financial planning reducing the wastage and overlapping of work. It links our present with our future. Whatever we have our requirement in the future, it also familiar us with that. It provides the link between investment and financing decisions, and by spelling out the detailed objectives for the various business segments, it makes the evaluation of actual easier. By evaluating that, we are just like what is the return from the project, what is the cash flow of the position. If the rate of return is greater than the returning from the project, then we have to be paid off our all debts. If this is more returning is more than rate of interest, then we have to be continue with the project. So in this kind we doing today financial planning, its meaning, its twin objectives and importance in this video. The rest of all we will discuss in the next video. Bye bye.